Hello and welcome to the next installment of our Joomla 2.5 series where we'll be discussing Joomla modules. Now when we talk about Joomla, we are usually talking about your articles and your menu items and possibly even extensions that you add that expand Joomla's capabilities. So articles are going to be the bulk of your website content, and when you think of modules, to steal a term from the fashion industry, think accessories. You deliver your articles with the menu items, and then each of those menu items can have a module or several modules that are published. When you have your Joomla site and you use your modules to accessorize it, you're delivering a lot of great information in little bits and snippets on all different types of content that you display on your website. For example, here we're looking at this Joomla 2.5 website, and we can click on the About page, and if you notice, there's going to be modules that you're going to want published on every single page of your website, such as the header here at the top and your horizontal menu. But there are other modules that you can display only on certain pages. So on this page of the website, we have the main article about Compassionate Action Network International, and the content that was put in that article is here. And if you notice here on the right, we have different modules. There's a module here of quotes, our menu, our header. As we scroll down, we can see we have our footer here with our bottom menu and a button to go back to the top. And so each of these are modules. So as we look at this particular page of the website, the About page, this is the article here with the article title and the content. And then the header is a module, the menu is a module, this quotes section is a module, the donation area here is a module. Here we have another module and another module that can have styling and colors, etc. to make them different. Say we go to a different page and there's some different modules in different orders. So modules are decorating your articles and your menu items. So let's go in the back end of our Joomla site, and here we're going to find our module manager tag. We can click this here on our control panel. Control panel is located in the site control panel. You can also navigate to extensions and click on Module Manager. Here is our list of all the modules that we have installed on this website, their status, whether they're published or not, the position that they're located in, and this is how you determine whereabouts on the website it's going to show up, whether it's going to be in the banner area, the header area, a sidebar, for example. And there are different types of modules. A lot of times you'll use a custom HTML module that you can put in an image, a bit of text. We have installed a special Facebook like box module that we use. The menu module here we have listed for the bottom. So let's take a look at creating a new module. I'm going to click on New, and here you see a list of all the different module types that you can select from. On average, you'll probably mostly use your custom HTML module, but there are quite a few different ones here we can take a look at. A module of archived articles, breadcrumbs, you can look through a lot of these. Many custom extensions that you install, components might have a module that you'd be able to use, like the Rock Gallery module to show some images, a Twitter, a search module. Let's go ahead and click on the custom HTML module, so we can create a new HTML module for the website. We can give it a name, services. We can select whether or not we want to show that title in the module. Let's go back to that home page. Notice our modules here do not have a title displayed. If we did, then that would have that services listed at the top, and we can select a position. If you already know the position, you can start typing it here. Perhaps I choose sidebar A, or you can use this button to open the selection, and this will be based on the template you have installed. We're using Enigma, and here are a list of all the possibilities that you can choose, and usually you will have some kind of resource that will show you where those will show up in relation to the content on your site. I can select bottom B, for example. We have our same editor screen that we have in articles, so you can upload an image, add some text. You have the option to setting some basic options here, and then we have advanced options, which is typically where you will add a module class suffix, which means a particular styling based on the template that you have installed, and you usually will have a list of different ones you can use. Ours are all called box 1, box 2, box 3. It gives us different colors so that each of our modules can be just a little bit different and not all have the same color. And the most important part of our module selection is the menu assignment. You want to accessorize a particular page on the website, then that page will have to have a menu item associated with it. So here by default, a new module will be selected to display on all pages, and we'd like to change that so we can use this pull down. If we select no pages, it will uncheck all of those boxes for us, and then we can use the pull down and select only on the pages selected. And here we can have this brand new module appear perhaps only on the home page or only on these certain menu links. And see, we're on the main menu tab, so these are all the main menu items that are in our menu right now. We can select them one by one based on whatever content we're adding. If it's specific to, say, the Speakers Bureau, then we might want it on all of the Speakers Bureau pages. We can click the other menu tabs. Maybe we'd like it on all of these city pages, so we can select all of these. And this way you select where it should appear. If we completed all of our edits, we could save or save and close. I'm going to cancel this. I don't really want a brand new module. So let's pick one of our existing modules and take a peek at the inside. We'll select this one. So it has this title, and we've chosen to hide that, and it appears on the main bottom -A position. So we scroll down and we notice it's the logo with a bit of text, and it's set to display only on the pages selected. And so here it's on the About CAN International Institute page, and that's the only page this module appears on. So here I could change this if I wanted to, but I'm happy with where it's at. I can make edits here just as if I was working in a Joomla article. If I click Advanced Options, I see we don't have a module class suffix, but I could assign one if I wanted to, a box 3. And when I was done, I could hit Save and Close. I don't really want to make these changes, so I'm going to go ahead and hit Close. So your modules are your decoration, and the flexibility that Joomla offers is letting you have different modules on different areas of your website. Now here on the module manager page, we notice that again we have the ability to change the ordering of particular modules. This is the order that they appear in on the website. So as you're working and as you're adding new modules, you may find that you would like your brand new module to appear at the very top. So once you had saved it, you would locate it here on this list, and you can either use these arrow move up, move down icons to one at a time move it up to where you want it, or you can manually change these numbers and then scroll up and hit the save button, and that will change the ordering. So I hope that explains Joomla 2.5 modules, how to add new modules and how to move your existing modules to different positions on your Joomla website. Thanks for watching, and enjoy our other videos.